Hello world, welcome back to DevHooks channel. In this video we will cover a data structure called sets, which is also a sequential data structure that does not allow duplicates values. We will learn how to create a set data structure, add and remove values, and search for whether value already exists. So, let's get started. Well, it's simple to create a set using the native ECMAScript 2015 set class, like this, then we add our elements using the built-in add method. Now, what else interesting about sets? The insertion order, unlike for arrays, is not memorized. For that you can't access element by index, but instead you have a method. Sets like arrays are iterable too, so you can use for loop to go through all the values, but the order inside the for loop it's different from loop to another. The size also adjusts dynamically. As I mentioned, duplicates values not allowed. In a set you only have a unique values. There is other big different compared to arrays. Deletion and finding element is fast and easy, because the position of the elements does not matter. Now, let's have a look of sets in code as well. First, let's create a set, then we add some values to it. You can mix data type inside set without any problem. Now if we loop through the elements here, because sets are iterables as you learned, you'll see there is only one, not two. If you want to check or get value, you can simply use has method. For example, we can print the value 1 in the console. You can also delete values with the delete method. If we print out the set, it is look a bit like object. It is an object but not a normal object. As you see, the value 1 is no longer exist in the set. That's how the basics operations work on sets. We didn't finish yet, we have to discover the world mathematics with sets as well. So we will do that next time. See you later. Happy coding!